This is the periodic table that we see in our textbooks, on walls and everywhere. But do you know that this is not the only way to represent the periodic table? There is an even much more aesthetically pleasing way to represent the periodic table, which is this, the periodic snail. This version of the periodic table was given by Theodore Benfey in 1964. He did not like that the periodic table was broken into rows. Even though the relationship between the atomic number between the element at the end of a row and the starting of the next row is the same as if they were just next to each other. And the second reason was he did not like the big gaps on the top of the periodic table, and he did not like the fact that the lanthanides and actinides are like floating around in space. So he rearranged the periodic table into this, a periodic snail, in which instead of rows and columns, elements flow in a spiral. The core idea of this is really simple. Each loop represents a new quantum energy level. It's like the SPDF. It is just like how in atoms we fill up electrons shell by shell. So these represent different shells. And in this one you automatically get the periodicity by each loop of the spiral. Hence the name periodic tables suits more to this one. And if it's so good, why don't we use it? Why we have not adopted it? The reason is it's harder to read and harder to compare groups and much harder to fill it up with the other data that scientists need. So this table is really useful for understanding, but the boring table wins for usability. And this is not just the periodic snail, it is also like a badge. So you can also wear it and show off. And you can get this one in the latest Curiosity box by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the description.